Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. In today's video, I will discuss about negative keywords. At these 5 negative keywords, every Google Ads campaign you run. Number 1, free. If you are not offer free something, you want to the people looking for free clicking in your ads. Number 2, jobs. If you are advertising a service, you don't want to be paying advertise the people looking for employment. Number 3, shifts. If your business offer premium, you add the shift as negative keywords in your campaign. It can help to you filter out the low intent search and focus on budget on users who are more likely to convert. Number 4 is how to. That's most likely to informational search. They want to education but no product. Number 5, competitor brands names. If you are not running competitor ads on Google, you don't want to pay their brand traffic. These 5 alone will help to you get more leads, calls or sales. If you any need, please contact me, drop a comment or WhatsApp. Thanks for watching.